Hi everyone, welcome to NC Code Vein Systems. Today, I'll demonstrate the working of our fully automatic napkin vending machine. This machine is equipped with a display screen to show stock availability and pricing, and it supports multiple payment options, including QR payment, coin payment, and web URL payment. Now, let's move on to the coin payment method. I have a 5 rupees coin, which I will insert into the machine. Once the coin is inserted, the display will show the amount paid and the product price. The machine will then start dispensing napkins. And I have collected it for 5 rupees. The machine dispenses to napkins. You can see after dispensing, the stock updates automatically. Let's look into our other products.